It's always great to go back to where you started from, and I still keep in contact with a lot of my lecturers and professors that lectured me back there. So it's always great to go back and meet with them and find out what they're working on and let them know what we've been working on. So Aerobotics helps farmers manage risk on their farms, and by risk I mean pests and diseases and of course yield. And we offer this through an end-to-end monitoring solution that's guided by drone and satellite imagery. I think the best advice I can give to students is to network and make as many contacts as possible and go to as many journal clubs as possible. We actually at Aerobotics have a computer vision journal club that runs once a month. So if you're not sure where to start, this would be a great place for you to come and get exposure into the industry and meet guys in the industry that are working in the ag tech space.